Hello everyone, happy Saturday evening. I had not really planned on vlogging today at all, but I have been sitting here just pottering around listening to Taylor Swift's new album Evermore on repeat. It was released yesterday afternoon, which was a very fun, exciting surprise. I'm a big Taylor Swift fan. If you are maybe new to my channel and didn't know that, I'm sure long-time viewers would have heard me talk about her music before. So I've been listening to that on repeat, really loving it. Let me know, have you listened to the new album? What is your favorite song so far? Right now for me, it's hard. I really do like Long Story Short, and I do like Willow. I also like Ivy, Gold Rush. I feel like I'm missing something. There's another, oh, 'Tis the Damn Season. But yeah, I'm genuinely loving it. Have been listening it on to repeat, learning all the words, because I love being able to sing along with pretty much any music that I enjoy. But the reason I turned on the camera was because I was thinking about doing something a little bit Christmassy. I've wanted to try making salt dough ornaments. I mean, I've wanted to try making them for years, but I have specifically wanted to try making them this year, and I planned to do it last weekend and just wasn't feeling it. But all of a sudden right now, I kind of am feeling it. So I'm gonna give it a crack. I've never done it before. I haven't really looked up the proper recipes or instructions yet. I'm gonna need to do that right now. But I'm pretty sure it's just like flour, salt, water, roll it out, cut it into shapes, stick it in the oven, and you've got ornaments. At least I'm hoping it's that simple. So why don't we spend Saturday evening together making some Christmas ornaments? This will either be great or it'll be terrible. I don't know, but hopefully it's fun either way. Before we get into the ornament creating, I wanted to quickly show you a couple of additions that I have purchased this week to go on my bedroom Christmas tree. You might spot these are new. I got a set of 3 of these little Ray Dunn Christmas ornaments. There's a third one somewhere. Oh, there it is down there. It says cheer. I thought these were really sweet from TK Maxx. It was $12.99 for the pack of 3, and I love that they had the red and black little ribbon there, and I just thought they really went with the tree quite nicely. And then today I happened to be near a spotlight and I picked up a couple of these cute little, I guess, what are these, ski ornaments. I realized I hadn't bought like a new special ornament this year, like a thing. You know, last year I had these and the little reindeer, so this year I thought I could go with these skis, and they work really well with this color scheme. So I actually got 2 in the black and white. These are from the Bouclair brand, and they actually had 50% off. So they were $6 down to $3 each. And then there was one red and white that wasn't broken. So I took that one as well. And I think they look really sweet on the tree as well and go with my whole theme. I'm still loving this tree. I love both of them, and I'm really enjoying having a tree in my bedroom, but it's so nice at night with the lights turned on and just, you know, winding down to Christmas lights. It's quite over the top, but when it comes to Christmas decorating, I think I pretty much fall into the over the top category no matter what. I also picked up some Christmas cards today. These ones say Santa saw your social media accounts, you're getting coal. I just thought it was so me. So grabbed those from TK Maxx as well. And I'm trying to think what else. Oh, the most important thing, some cookie cutters. So we will need these for tonight's ornament making. The Baker's Pantry set of 12 cookie cutters, $7.99 from TK Maxx. And I thought these would be good because they've got sort of a whole bunch of shapes. I think I'll probably just make maybe stars or maybe this kind of bauble shape. I'm not sure, we shall see. I feel like I'm really getting ahead of myself. We should probably at least look up a recipe first to make sure I've got everything that I need. All right, I found a recipe. This one is just on wholefully.com. It does require 4 cups of flour, which seems like a lot. So I think I'm gonna half the recipe just to see how it goes, because I'm really not confident this is gonna work out, but I'll pop a link in the description to the recipe that I am using. Do I need to preheat the oven is the main thing I wanted to check, because that is something that I always forget to do whenever I'm doing any kind of baking. I just want to get straight into it, and then I completely forget about the oven, and then I go to put it down like, crap, I didn't preheat the oven. So, do I need to preheat the oven? All right, this one says 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so now I need to work out how to convert that into Celsius. Hey Google, what's 300 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
300 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 148.889 degrees Celsius.
148 degrees Celsius. Excellent. I'm gonna do just a tad less because my oven is fan forced. All right, let's just dive straight in. This is gonna take a while. I don't really roll out dough very often. I know there are tricks out there on how to get your dough even. I just can't think of any right now. It does say to err on the side of thinner rather than thicker ornaments, because thicker tend to crack. So I'm hoping that is thin enough. It said 1/8 of an inch, which again, my Australian metric system did not prepare me to work out what 1/8 of an inch is. I don't know. All right, let's go with that and see. Now, if you're using these for actual cookies, you would want to clean them beforehand, but since we aren't going to be eating the ornaments, these should be good. Uncleaned. Oh, they have snowflakes. Maybe I could try some snowflakes. Little baby Christmas trees. I think I'm gonna go for snowflakes, stars, and the little like ornament round shape. Oh, yeah, let's try a few of these. Yes, no, maybe I'll just like shrink. This is where we ended up. I actually still had more dough, but I've run out of, you know, cookie sheet space, and my oven isn't particularly large. So we're gonna stop here. That did a lot more than I was expecting. So definitely reduce like half the recipe like I did if you don't want to make tons and tons. I do know that you can use these as, like some people use them as part of their wrapping if they work out. So I guess like you could do that and make a whole bunch of little stars or little tags or something like that. We do need to make a hole for the ribbon or tie or whatever you plan on using to go through. So they suggested a straw. I don't know whether a straw is going to be too big for these because they're on the smaller side, but I'm going to give it a crack. Let's just try. Oh yeah, that worked. Although then how do you get the dough out of the straw? Is this like a... Oh! I was not expecting that. Okay, be prepared to blow out dough. I'm sure there is a more graceful way to do this, but let's just go with it. I can't believe I'm putting this on the internet. Oh man. All right, these babies are ready to go in the oven, so let's pop one in. It does say to put it in for about an hour, but she also mentioned that it's not an exact science. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on them and hope for the best. I do have my oven set a little bit cooler, so it's at about 120 degrees Celsius for now. So we'll see how they go. I also feel slightly less of an idiot because in reading the instructions, the article actually mentions to blow the dough out of the straw because if you leave it in there and forget about it, it will harden and you can ruin your straw. So apparently the only way to do that is to blow dough balls out of your straw. But now that I've sufficiently trashed my kitchen, I'm gonna clean this all up, but we can regroup in an hour or so and hopefully we'll have something that resembles a Christmas ornament. There was still about 25 minutes left on the timer, so I thought I'd quickly come outside and have a quick look at some Christmas lights that I'd spotted earlier today. It feels very like old school Vlogmas, walking around and looking at Christmas lights, and I know I'm not participating in Vlogmas this year like properly, but it doesn't hurt to relive some of the traditions. Look, here we go. I'll get a little bit closer so my camera can focus. But I love it, it looks so pretty and festive. Hold on. Let's... Whoa. Is that a car coming? Let's make sure I not get killed crossing the road. Oh wow. Here we go. I love how they've got like all the string lights just coming down. It's completely lit up. So festive. It goes all the way around here too. That's Santa and the sleigh. Oh wow, I just noticed it's even along the grass. I really do love Christmas lights so much. It's so impactful seeing so many lights. Oh, and there's even Santa. Let's see if that will focus. Little Santa and reindeer there. So cute, so cute. I can see another one down here, so I'm gonna quickly wander over there. Oh, we have Santa and Rudolph again. And more lights. Cute. I love the warm white lights. Oh, and over here, that looks really nice. I need to get some of these long lights. They look amazing. I'm gonna head back. Just a quick little look, but that was fun. I haven't done any driving around light looking yet, but I definitely want to. It's on my, you know, pre-Christmas to-do list. I don't know how I timed it quite so perfectly, but I got back and Love Actually is just starting on TV, so my night is definitely set. I have some new Christmas pajamas on, so I figured I probably should show you guys since you are now part of my love of Christmas pajamas. I've actually got two new pairs, this one and another one, so I'm sure I'll show you that one at some point between now and Christmas. But these ones are a little gift from me to me. These are from Victoria's Secret. I picked them up during the Black Friday sale. I do love a good Victoria's Secret pajama. This set I think is in a size small, and I probably could have even gone the extra small, so it's a little bit oversized. It's like a soft kind of cotton flannel type thing, but it's quite lightweight, so it's good for the Australian Christmas summer. But if you do like this tartan pattern, they do have it in like the long sleeves, long pants version for those of you who get to have a cold Christmas. But yeah, I really love them. I love a good check plaid moment. Is that better? I don't know. I'm terrible at this fashion vlogging stuff, but yeah, there you go. Fun, festive pajamas for a festive evening watching a festive movie like Love Actually. I realize I keep on chopping my head off whenever I hold the camera. I really feel like my arms have gotten shorter, or the camera focal length has changed. I don't know, because I used to be better at this and now I'm not. Oh, and our I haven't forgotten about the ornaments, I promise. They are still in there, they're still baking away. There's still a tiny bit of time left on the timer. They do look cooked, but I did flip a couple over and they were kind of not looking cooked on the bottom. So I'm gonna leave them in there for a little bit longer. So far, they look like they're working. Fingers crossed. This is still my favorite part. Oh, I've seen it a bajillion times, but it makes me giggle every single time. We have salt dough ornaments, guys. I ended up cooking them for a lot longer than the hour. When I looked up some recipes online, the ones that were sort of set around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is closer to what I had my oven temperature at, they said to bake for 2 to 3 hours. So I've basically left mine in for the entire movie. We're at the iconic end scene over there, if you can see that. I have, of course, muted the TV for copyright reasons, but yeah, I've left them in. I think they've worked. Tomorrow I'll decide whether I want to paint them or what they need to cool. Right now I'm just super tired, so I'm going to go to bed. Good night all. Well, once the movie's finished, of course.